Have a long video and want perfect 60-second clips? Exactly on the minute? I'll show you a one-click Windows solution that makes exact 60s clips by re-encoding using FFmpeg. You only need one free tool, FFmpeg. It includes fprobe. I'll show how to install it, set path, and run a ready-to-use .bat that outputs exact 60s clips into a clips folder. Open your browser and go to ffmpeg.org. Download a Windows build zip. Extract the zip to your C folder. I have already extracted it. Now open the folder and copy the path of the bin folder. Open System Properties. Advanced Environment Variables. In the System Variables list, select Path, click Edit, then click New, and paste the path you copied earlier. I've already done those steps. To check that you completed the steps correctly, open Command Prompt and enter FFmpeg. If it prints version .usage information, it's working. If you get an error, repeat the steps. Create a new folder, open Notepad, paste the code from the video description, and save the file with a .bat extension. If the code isn't in the description, check the pinned comment. Now paste the video you want to split into the folder. I used a short 4-minute video here because processing larger files is time-consuming, but you can add longer videos. Then drag and drop the video onto the script file to run it in the command prompt. Wait until the process finishes. You can see that my 4-minute video has been trimmed into 4 60-second clips. Using this method, you can trim your videos with a single click, no matter how long they are. If you learned something new from this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.